Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to try out the mug recipes that are flooded all over the internet. Like I've seen it on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. So I just thought of trying them out and check that whether they are that time saving and effective or not, because they are supposed to be done in less than 5 minutes, which is really interesting. And also, if you are new here, then do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. So let's start with the tastiest, easiest and the quickest one, and that is the Oreo Mug Cake in 1 minute. Now why I'm saying this to be the tastiest, because before this I have actually baked a proper Oreo cake for my husband's birthday, and that was kind of a proper baking. So this time I want to check that whether 1 minute is enough for this or not. For this, all you need is Oreo biscuits, milk and nothing else. I have kind of finished crushing all the biscuits and have added 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk so that cake-like batter is formed and it is smooth enough, and now it's ready to go into the oven. So I'm setting it at 1 minute, and that chocolatey smell is all in the kitchen. Just look at the texture, it's 1 minute and I can't believe this exactly looks like a brownie. You can use any kind of toppings like chocolate chips, nuts, anything. So time for the second recipe, and that is the cheese mug pasta. Now for this you need 5 minutes, 3 minutes to boil the pasta and 2 minutes to make it cheesy. So here we go. I've added some pasta and then I'm going to add some water. So for the safe side, I'm going to add a plate under the cup because I'm not sure that whether it's going to overflow or not, because I'm new to this cooking genre and I'm always confused with quantities. So I think I have added a little more pasta. I should have added a little less pasta. So I'm going to stand in front of the oven and check that whether it's overflowing or not, especially because I don't want to take the hassle of cleaning it. Because this oven is at a weird height and I think it's overflowing. This time I found a more safer option. I have used a bowl instead so that even if it overflows, I don't have to worry about it. I kind of have to get on my toes to look at the inside of it properly, and by this I cannot mean to say that I'm short. I think I'm 5'5" and that's a pretty good height, right? So this time my pasta is all boiled properly, and of course it did spill out. See the water inside the bowl. First add some salt. So I'm going to add some butter and then some pepper and milk. Then I'm going to add some cheese. So after mixing all the ingredients, you have to just put it into the oven for 2 minutes. Our cheesy pasta is all ready and it looks super yummy. The best part about filming a food vlog is that you have something or the other ready to eat after you're done with so much of talking. And I think this is the reason YouTube has so many cooking channels. So the third one I'm going to try out is a mug French toast, and for this you need all the ingredients that you require for a proper French toast. So let's check out how this is done. I'm quite excited because I haven't done a French toast in a mug or in a cup. So for this you need the ingredients for a French toast: egg, and then I'm going to use sugar. Here goes my vanilla extract. Add some milk. Here I have the bread cut into small pieces and dip them into the mixture. Use some pepper on top of it. Set the microwave for 2.5 minutes. So this is what your French toast looks like when you bring it out from the oven, and please use a plate or a bowl under the cup because the mixture was puffing up while it was in the microwave. And I think the French toast looks much better and unique if you bring it out from the cup. Maybe I didn't mix it properly, but whatever it is, it kind of looks really appealing to me. Now I have to tell you this, that I haven't done so much of cooking in my entire life like I have done in the last 2 months, and I think this is the same for most of us who have been in this lockdown period. And after these cafes and restaurants have closed down, I think the craving to feed ourselves with good food has kind of made us all good chef. And nowadays, I see my Insta feed and my Facebook feed with so many good and exotic dishes made by my friends that it kind of makes me feel that I should level up my cooking game. And this is the reason I'm trying out all these dishes so that I can feed myself with good food in the shortest time. I don't know why I did this in the shortest time. So that I can feed myself with good food in the shortest time. So the last one I'm going to try out is a proper cupcake, and for this you require all the ingredients that you need for baking a cake, and you just need to mix these ingredients and put it into the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. So let's check this out. I already have some melted butter in the cup, and then I'm going to add egg. I'm going to add some flour. And then sugar and some vanilla extracts, milk, and I'm going to add some baking powder. Mix it properly. Add some topping to it so that it looks good. Let's see. And microwave this for 2.5 minutes. And this is what my cupcake looks like. Let me use a fork to check. Please use bigger coffee mugs for all the recipes I've shown you, because the ingredients are going to puff up and you do not want to get it spilled in your oven. If you really liked these mug recipes, then please do let me know in the comment section below that which one did you like the most and which one are you going to try out first. And also, if you loved watching my video, then do not forget to like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, enjoy the little things in life because life is beautiful. Bye! So time for me to taste this Oreo mug cake. And it is so amazing. I think this is my favorite.